Hey, Bob Carr here with TLC. We're in Crofton, Maryland today installing a brand new outdoor lighting system, and this one's Bluetooth enabled. This client can adjust the lights, the intensity, and the different color anytime they want using her smartphone. Come on, let's take a look. So with the Bluetooth antenna, this will connect from the fixtures anywhere in the property so the homeowners can use off their smartphone, okay? And there won't be any lapse of coverage from anywhere on this property by using these. Now, where you guys place these at?
One in the back and another one in the front.
So this screws on here. So that screws on there, and that goes, you hide them in the landscaping, which is nice, so you don't see them. You don't know they're there. They just blend right in, you don't even see them. Makes it nice. It can be here, it can be in the back, wherever you want it. You just doing a demo here. And Donnie, you just put a light in over here. So that's gonna be up light on this lace leaf maple. Okay, that's gonna be nice. What else you guys doing up around the front of the house here, Wilder? What do you guys got going on in here? So you're gonna uplight the columns, so that'll bring out at night. Path lights over here, so you'll be able to come from the, how many? 2. So you'll be able to come from the walk and come up to the front door from the driveway, right into the home. That'll be nice. That'll be really nice. Okay. And then what do you got, guys, going on the side of the house? Nothing here on the side, so you're taking these lights around, and he's working on that. Okay. So you're blowing down the walk, you just finished this, cleaning it all up, blowing down the walk. Okay. Okay, this is a down light you got mounted, the wire's all hidden. That's really nice looking. It's really nice looking installation there, Wilder. You got 2 down lights here. That'll be nice. Light here to get in the hot tub, light here when you're grilling. Then you got path light over here, path light here. Okay, it's gonna be sharp. For all your outdoor lighting needs, give us a call at the office at 410-721-2342 or hit the link below for more lighting information.